Right, okay, so today we're going to continue on with our exercise 11, but this time we're going to be working on task 2. Now, task 2 asks us to create a program that will allow the user to enter the name of the file they want to open. Now, this is very similar to the first task, so if you could understand task 1, then this one here should be quite good for you to do and should be quite straightforward. But just in case, there's another wee video here just to help you along. Now, when you open up your task 2 button, you'll be given this template here. Now, the template is very similar to the last one, like I said, but we've got this local variable in our read file procedure. Now, this local variable called data file is going to be where we store the name of the text file the user wants to open up. So, the way in which we get that is we do our usual where we ask the user to enter a bit of information, we store it in a variable. Now, we'll store that information in that variable name, and instead of putting the name of the file into the last item of the file path, we're going to be putting what the contents of that variable in the last part of the file path. So, I'm not going to talk anymore, so I just want you to sit back, watch the video. I've picked some music. Hopefully it's not too cringy, but let's see how it goes. I'm not fond of duplicating cause no time to love slow. We live, we die, we bleed, we survive. So the earth is high, choose your side. Love is all we need. I wanna be a drug. You are the wilderness. I wanna be loved. Do you believe that you understand? This feels like it's happening out of my head. You and I, suicide, I know. I'm terrified. I know you are my man. I am not everything but you. I feel you surging through my veins. We live, we die, we bleed, we survive. So of us is high. Now, like you can see, just like before, we have created the local variable, the file path. We've put the file name of this stack into the file path, and we've changed the item delimiter to the / so we can split the URL into different sections. And this time we've put data file into the last item of the file path. That is because we have asked the user to enter the name of the file they would like to open up, and we have stored it in that variable. So that variable is holding the name, and so that means that no matter what name they type in, we are putting that in to the end of the URL to access the file. Now, what we have to do now is open the file to read and then store the file into temp data so that we're able to then display temp data in our display box or our output field on our card. So now I'll show you how to do that. Just keep on watching. Now that we have finished and clicked apply on our code, if we go to our card that has all our buttons on it, if we click the task 2 button, we now get a pop-up menu, or pop-up box, sorry, asking us to type in the name of the file we'd like opened. So if I type in task1.txt and hit OK, you'll see that we have the task1 file open up on a screen. But if we click clear, then click the button again, we can type in things like task3.txt and hit OK again, and you'll see that we've got a different file opened up, and we have finished exercise 2, and the fact that we are typing in the name of the file we want opened up. Okay.